The Shopify product has inventory, but shows sold out. Glitch happens 99% of the time due to one of these reasons. Quick fixes, in order. Check inventory settings, Shopify, admin, products. Click the product, inventory section. Make sure track quantity all is checked and continue selling when out of stock is off or on if you want it available. Quantity should be more than 0. Check variants. If you have sizes and colors, click edit on each variant. Ensure every variant has its own quantity more than 0. One variant at 0 equals entire product shows sold out. Print on demand apps, Printful and Printify. In the Poured app, go to the product, click sync or push to store again. Many apps set inventory to 0 by default, change to 999 or unlimited. Location issue, settings, locations. Make sure the location has stock allocated, rare with single location. Cache or app conflict, clear Shopify cache, online store, themes, actions, refresh, or temporarily disable recently installed apps. Still broken? Duplicate the product, delete original, 100% fix.